Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Thailand and looking for the perfect island getaway without overspending, then this video is just for you. Today, this video will walk you through an exciting 7-day budget travel itinerary for the beautiful island of Koh Samui. Whether you're after pristine beaches, thrilling adventures, or a taste of local culture, this itinerary has everything. Plus, we'll be sharing tips on how to make the most of your trip while keeping your expenses in check. So, let's dive into the ultimate budget-friendly adventure on Koh Samui. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our travel tips and adventures. Day 1. Arrival and relaxation at the beach. Upon arrival in Koh Samui, check into your hotel for around $50 to $100 per night, depending on your choice of accommodation. Spend the afternoon unwinding at Chaweng Beach or Lamai Beach, where you can rent a sunbed for about $5 to $10 and enjoy some refreshing drinks. Head to Chaweng Night Market for dinner in the evening, where you can savor local Thai dishes for around $5 to $10 per meal. Stroll around the market and explore the shops for souvenirs or beachwear. Day 2. Island exploration. Start your day by visiting the Big Buddha Wat Phra Yai, which is free to enter, though donations are appreciated. Next, explore Wat Play Lame, another free attraction known for its beautiful statues. For lunch, head to a local eatery nearby for a meal costing around $5 to $8. In the afternoon, venture to the secret Buddha garden entry fee of around $3, hidden in the hills, offering a peaceful retreat with fascinating sculptures and lush greenery. Wrap up your day at Fisherman's Village in Bop Hut, where you can enjoy a delicious dinner at a seaside restaurant, typically costing $10 to $20. Day 3. Waterfalls and Nature. After breakfast, head to Nam Muang Waterfalls, where you can swim in natural pools and explore the surrounding jungle. Entrance is free, but consider spending about $10 for refreshments or renting a motorbike for $5 to $10 per day to get around. Later, visit the unique Hin Ta and Hin Yai rocks, another free attraction known for its interesting rock formations. End the day with a traditional Thai massage at a local spa, costing around $15 to $25 for an hour of relaxation. Day 4. Day trip to Ong Thong National Marine Park. Dedicate this day to exploring Ong Thong National Marine Park. Book a full-day tour that includes snorkeling, kayaking, and lunch, which typically costs around $50 to $80 per person. You'll visit stunning limestone islands and hidden lagoons and enjoy breathtaking views from various viewpoints. After a full day of adventure, return to Koh Samui in the evening for a quiet dinner by the beach, costing around $10 to $20. Day 5. Island activities and water sports. Spend the morning enjoying water sports at Chaweng or Lamai Beach. You can rent a kayak or paddleboard for around $10 to $20 per hour or try jet skiing for about $30 to $50 per half hour. In the afternoon, visit the Koh Samui Elephant Sanctuary, where you can interact with rescued elephants in an ethical environment. The sanctuary visit typically costs around $90 per person, including transportation and a light meal. Conclude the day by watching the sunset from Lipa Noi Beach or Tailing Ngam Beach, which is free of charge. Day 6. Day trip to Koh Tao or Koh Phangan. Choose between a day trip to Koh Tao or Koh Phangan. If you opt for Koh Tao, expect to pay around $50 to $70 for a snorkeling tour that includes equipment, lunch, and transportation. Koh Tao is renowned for its vibrant marine life and clear waters. Alternatively, if you visit Koh Phangan, enjoy its serene beaches and hiking trails. The trip to Koh Phangan might cost around $40 to $60 for a day tour, depending on the activities. Return to Koh Samui in the evening and either explore the nightlife or enjoy a relaxing dinner for $10 to $20. Day 7. Relaxation and departure. On your final day, Enjoy a leisurely breakfast at your hotel or a local cafe for $5 to $10. Spend your morning relaxing by the beach or pool. If you're up for it, visit a local market for last-minute shopping or take a Thai cooking class, which costs around $30 to $50. After checking out of your hotel, which usually happens by noon, prepare for your departure. If you have time, grab a quick meal before heading to the airport for $5 to $10. This itinerary balances relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences, giving you a comprehensive and memorable stay in Koh Samui. Let's explore some affordable accommodation options in Koh Samui, Thailand. Several options offer comfort and convenience for budget-friendly accommodation on Koh Samui without breaking the bank. Hostels are a great choice for solo travelers or those looking to meet fellow adventurers. Number 1. Casa de Mar, Koh Samui. Located on Chowing Beach, Casa de Mar offers a comfortable stay with modern amenities and a relaxed vibe. Despite being a more upscale option, you can find deals starting around $50 to $70 per night during the off-season. The resort features cozy rooms, a beachfront pool, and a restaurant, making it a great value for those looking to enjoy a bit of luxury on a budget. The location is also ideal, offering easy access to both the vibrant nightlife of Chowing and the more tranquil parts of the beach. Number 2. Samui Paradise Chowing Beach Resort and Spa. This resort is situated on the quieter southern end of Chowing Beach. It offers a tranquil retreat with direct beach access. Rooms and bungalows are designed in a traditional Thai style, providing a charming and cozy atmosphere. Despite the resort's upscale feel, you can find rooms starting around $70 to $90 per night during off-peak seasons. The resort features a beachfront pool, spa services, and an on-site restaurant, making it an excellent option for travelers seeking comfort and relaxation without overspending. Number 3. Ibis Samui Bop Hut. Located in the peaceful Bop Hut area, Ibis Samui Bop Hut offers modern, comfortable accommodations at an affordable price. Rooms are clean and functional, with rates starting around $40 to $60 per night. The hotel features a beachfront location, a large outdoor pool, and an on-site restaurant serving international cuisine. It's a great choice for travelers looking for a reliable, budget-friendly stay near the popular Fisherman's Village, where you can explore local markets, dining options, and vibrant nightlife. Number 4. Crystal Bay Yacht Club. Situated in the tranquil area of Tailing Ngam, Crystal Bay Yacht Club offers a serene escape with beautiful views of the Gulf of Thailand. Rooms start at approximately $50 to $70 per night, making it a great value for its picturesque setting. The resort features a private beach, a large outdoor pool, and a beachfront restaurant, ensuring a relaxing stay. It's ideal for travelers looking to enjoy a peaceful environment away from the busier tourist spots while still having access to comfortable amenities and stunning views. Next, let's dive into Koh Samui's transportation options and how to save money on getting around. Getting around Koh Samui is convenient and affordable, with several transportation options to suit your budget. Songtha's shared pickup trucks are a popular choice for short distances, offering rides for around $1 to $3 depending on the route. They run frequently along the main roads and are a great way to travel between beaches and towns. For more flexibility, you can rent a motorbike for about $5 to $10 per day, giving you the freedom to explore the island at your own pace. However, remember to wear a helmet and drive safely, as roads can be busy. If you prefer more comfort, taxis and private car hires are available, but they are more expensive, with fares starting at $10 to $15 for short trips and increasing depending on distance. It's advisable to agree on the fare before starting your journey, as meters are rarely used. For day trips or group travel, renting a car can be cost-effective, with prices ranging from $20 to $40 per day. Next, let's explore budget-friendly dining options in Koh Samui, Thailand. For a diverse dining experience on Koh Samui, there are several great options to explore, each offering something unique. Emporio Cafe Samui in Chaweng is a cozy spot for Italian-style coffee, pastries, and light meals, perfect for breakfast or a quick snack, with prices ranging from $3 to $8. If you're looking for a place with stunning ocean views, Shade's Ocean Lounge and Bar provides a stylish beachfront setting where you can enjoy a mix of Thai and international cuisine. Main courses here range from $8 to $15, making it a bit pricier but worth it for the ambience. Seafood enthusiasts should visit the Oyster Bar X Samui in Bop Hut, where fresh oysters and seafood dishes are the highlights. Prices start at $10 for half a dozen oysters, with other seafood dishes ranging from $12 to $20, offering a more indulgent dining experience. Lastly, Silver Spoon Samui in Lamai offers a diverse menu of Thai and Western dishes in a welcoming atmosphere, with most main dishes priced between $6 to $12. Whether you're in the mood for local Thai flavors or comfort food, these spots cater to different tastes and budgets, ensuring a satisfying culinary adventure on the island. Another great option is Koh Glong Thai Restaurant, where you can enjoy traditional Thai meals for around $4 to $8. For those who crave a Western-style breakfast or brunch, the Coffee Club offers a variety of options like sandwiches, salads, and coffee, with prices between $5 to $10. Cafes like Treehouse Silent Beach in Mae Nam provide a relaxed atmosphere with beachfront views, where you can enjoy smoothies, sandwiches, and snacks for $3 to $7. Finally, don't miss out on the fruit shakes and fresh coconut water sold by local vendors for just $1 to $2, perfect for staying refreshed in the tropical heat. That is all our 7-day budget travel itinerary to Koh Samui. Hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable trip without overspending. Whether you're relaxing on the beaches, exploring hidden gems, or indulging in local cuisine, Koh Samui offers something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more budget-friendly travel guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels.